Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1863, that is sum of all subset XOR totals. And in this, the XOR total of an array is defined as the bitwise XOR of all of its elements or 0 if the array is empty. Okay. And for example, the XOR total of the array 256 is 2 XOR 5 XOR 6, which will be equal to 1. And we will be given the array nums and we will return the sum of all XOR totals for every subset of nums. And notice that subsets with the same element should be counted multiple times, and an array is subset of array. I guess everyone knows how we can detect a subarray, a subset. So the for 1 3 will be having subsets as 1 and 1 individually, then 3 and then 1 3 together. Okay, and also an empty set is also a subset. So that's why we are adding a 0 as well. So our total sum comes out to be 6. Okay, for this we will be directly checking that how many bits got flipped by taking the OR of all the numbers and then left shifting it to the total numbers minus 1. Okay, so let's have a variable flipped bits, which is will be currently 0, and then for int num in nums, what I'll be doing is I'll be setting my flipped bits or equal to okay, or equal to my current num, and then what I'll do, I'll return flipped bits sorry left shift nums dot length minus 1. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, it's taking a lot of time. Okay, so and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.